Welcome to Youtility, a channel dedicated to giving you the tools to become a better you. I cover topics such as depression, anxiety, therapy, and so much more. While this channel is not a replacement for therapy, it is a good place to start for self-help and information. Not only do I go into issues, but I often will have a pragmatic approach as well, by offering something that you can do to improve your mental health or even just better your character. If it touches the topics of psychology, mental health, or self-help, I plan to make a video about it. If you are on your path to self-actualization, this is the channel for you.